Guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we're gonna do a recipe on garlic knots. I did an event, a private event, where we were making live garlic knots, and I thought to myself, we should share this recipe with my YouTube family. So let's get started because it's gonna be awesome. Ingredients, we're gonna need pizza dough. I made this earlier. I'm gonna post the recipe in my description. This is about 32 ounce. We need a pizza baking sheet, pizza cutter, obviously. For the dry ingredients, we're gonna need pepper, we're gonna need salt, crushed red chili. It's up to you if you like it. I like a little zip to my garlic knots. Parmesan cheese, little Italian seasoning, dried parsley, fresh garlic, flour, and of course, extra virgin olive oil. Guys, it's gonna be an awesome recipe. It's gonna be really fun to make. Take flour, spread it all around, get it on your hands, get the dough. Don't be afraid. This dough is nice and proof. So you press it, work the fingers, you just cut it. Not too thin because you want to roll them or knot them so they don't fall apart. Now get the flour on your hands. Just take the knot, 2 fingers, and fold. Don't tighten it. Knot, 2 fingers, and fold. Knot, 2 fingers, and fold, and take the bottom off. We take the garlic knots and we just space them a little bit and place them on the pan. What dry flour does is prevents them from sticking together. So now they're in our pan. Let's get them in the oven. Put them in the oven. 375 for about 15 minutes. We're gonna go check them. About 20 minutes, they'll be good to go. Alright guys, the garlic knots are cooking. Let's put the garlic in the garlic knot. Extra virgin olive oil, about half a cup. Then we add pepper, to taste. I would say about 1.5 teaspoon. Salt, take it easy on, you know. And after you make the mix, see if you like it, then add more. Because you can always add more, you cannot take it back. Fresh garlic, my favorite, so I'm gonna go a little heavy-handed on it. Italian seasoning, about a tablespoon. I'm gonna put all of this in the description, so you guys have the exact measurements. Parmesan cheese. Little crushed pepper. This is completely optional. I like it a little spicy, so I'm gonna add a little crushed red pepper. And my favorite garnish, dry parsley. Alright guys, the oil is ready. It's nice, it's gorgeous, smells amazing. Even if you don't want to make garlic knots and you get some fresh Italian bread and you got some pasta, parmesan, chicken parmesan, just make a little bit of this oil, put it in a little bowl, dip your bread in it, eat it with your pasta or parmesan. It comes out amazing. And now we add the marinara. So now I added the marinara sauce that I made earlier to the garlic and olive oil mix. This is amazing. It's hot, spicy, and has so much texture. With the garlic knots, it's gonna be out of this world. If you look at them, they're doubled in size. What a gorgeous color. Let's put them in the oil. The fun part. Mix them in. Make sure all the olive oil and the garlic gets on them. They look hot and I can't wait. I wish you could try them. This is it guys. Garlic knots are ready. They have the gorgeous color. Now let's plate. Let me put some right in the middle. Final touches, little dry parsley, little extra Parmesan cheese, a little bit of crushed pepper to give it a little color. The avlo sauce that we made to dip the garlic knots in. Okay folks, garlic knots are ready. The color is gorgeous, the consistency is amazing, the smell is out of the world. We have a little Parmesan cheese, we have Fra Diavolo sauce. This is a simple Gorgeous recipe. It takes you maybe 25 to 30 minutes to make it. It's a good side dish to have with any kind of Italian food you're making. I hope you guys liked this video because I had a great time making it. And I'm going to see you next time, Basant style.